Transform your life with health and fitness. Run, jog, or walk with the T7603 motorized treadmill. Receive a better workout experience with an ample treadmill deck, providing more space to give you the confidence to go harder and faster. Pre-programmed one-touch speed buttons quickly go to the marked speed. The convenient multifunction handrail controls speed and allows you to stop and start your workout with ease while reading your pulse rate. 3 levels of adjustable incline increase your workout's intensity, while 6-point shock absorption system reduces the impact on the body while running or walking. The treadmill's center console holds 2 water bottles and displays all your fitness stats, including speed, time, distance, calories burned, along with 9 built-in fitness programs and body quality calculator, keeping your workout versatile and customizable. The convenient soft drop system controls your treadmill deck to slowly descend, protecting floors or injury. After a completed workout, utilize the transportation wheels and store away your treadmill. Take your fitness routine in stride and start your journey with the T7603 by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Introducing the Exerpeutic TF1000 Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill from Paradigm Health and Wellness. We know you want to get started on your healthy and fit lifestyle right away, so our Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill comes virtually assembled right out of the box. Simply attach the LCD computer monitor panel and you're ready to get started. Treadmill fitness walking has been proven to be an effective way to get fit. Here's what you can expect from the Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is a heavy-duty treadmill. It's designed to accommodate up to 400 pounds of user weight with wide side rails and a heavy-duty steel frame. The treadmill belt is 20 inches wide, similar to commercial fitness club-sized treadmills. The 18-inch extra-long safety handles are more than 2 times longer than typical treadmill handles, so no reaching is necessary to secure yourself. No more losing your balance on a treadmill. Getting on and getting off is very easy and safe. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill has a 2-position manual incline feature where you can adjust the incline position very easily to change the intensity level of your workout. Burning more calories and gaining more strength is easy when you're on Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill also comes with a smart computer with an LCD display featuring functions of elapsed time, distance walked, calories burned, and speed. Easy-to-use speed control buttons on the handlebar allow you to adjust from 1/10 of a mile per hour to up to 4 miles per hour for a vigorous fitness walking workout. An on-off switch is right on the handlebar for easy access when your workout is finished. Plus, there's a pulse monitor where you can measure and check your target heart rate anytime and stay within your target heart rate zone. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is powered with a 1.5 horsepower high-torque motor, which utilizes quiet drive, so you can watch TV or listen to music while walking with no interference. And more. The Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill is easy to fold and store with a hydraulic shock absorber and transportation wheels for relocating the treadmill. It is built to last. Our 5-year limited warranty on the motor and a 1-year limited warranty on the frame means that you can buy with confidence and you can get healthy and fit with your Exerpeutic Fitness Walking Electric Treadmill for many years to come.
The best way to get the fitness results you want is to get a personal trainer, which is why NordicTrack includes one with your purchase. The best place in the world to work out is in your own home, because it is consistent, convenient, and leaves the excuses for someone else to make. Let me show you what a personal trainer in your home looks like with your NordicTrack. First, get on your machine and let's go somewhere exotic, like Paris, or how about Santorini, Greece? Actually, how about running on the beach in Bora Bora? Your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, decline, and the duration of the trainer's prescribed workout. Stick with your trainer to build glutes, abs, arms, legs, stamina, and endurance. While you're exploring the world, you get expertly crafted workouts designed to transform you into a new improved version of yourself. The Smart Response motor will run as long as you do, a guarantee we back up with a lifetime warranty. To get the results you want, you need to stick with your workout routine. Running outside can be painful, which is why we built the Flex Select cushioned deck. It's a feature you're going to love from day one. The size of the tread belt is optimized to give you a long, powerful stride. When your workout is done for the day, simply fold up the deck to save space in your home. At NordicTrack, we are dedicated to empowering you to achieve your fitness goals. Interactive personal training in your home, on your time. Welcome to the family.